So today we're going to the center of Brussels. Probably do nothing special, but yeah, it's really, the weather is nice. Maybe a bit too nice. We have to take like subway and the bus, but we're going first like walk in front of my old school. Like she will be able to see where I studied all these years. And then probably going for a bubble tea and some shopping. It's like the best place you can go to in Brussels to get bubble tea, and I personally recommend the black sugar version, which I think is the best. We went to buy soju, so my father could try at least once, and we like had like the peach flavor. Because surprisingly, they wouldn't sell the natural original soju, which is kind of weird. Not gonna lie. So, yeah. We're going to a cafe that's like kind of like famous right now in Brussels. That kind of look like a Korean style cafe, and then we'll just visit the city. I took a macchiato and my friend took a chai latte, which I never tried, and this is literally so fucking cute, like in little cans. I love it. Oh wow. We bought flowers for my grandmother. They're so pretty. We have like 1 hour of train, so we decided to watch King the Land, so time could go like faster. We're now at a place where they basically make beers, but we're not here for that. We just wanted to take a walk and enjoy nature because they have a really nice park when you can do that, so we thought it would be a good idea before heading home to have dinner. Yeah. We were like watching a drama with my friend, and it has been like 8 episodes that I'm surely thinking that the main actor is Udo Han, when it's not. It was never him. Never. It's another one. And I don't both. But it's like, it's midnight and I'm just realizing that now. Like, what the fuck? We went to another village because we wanted to have like a drink, but it was actually closed, so we just walked a little bit and saw this little cute dog at the window. We encountered a cat on the way. So cute. She's so cute. Oh. We are waiting for our train to like go back to Brussels, and then we'll go visit my uni and maybe do some errands. Yeah. Also, honestly, the concert was amazing. Even my friend who like listened to some of their songs didn't know most of them. I think she really enjoyed her time. I mean, at least I hope. It's kind of expensive for the privilege we got, but I still don't regret it. And the high touch was really fast, but I was so happy to see them like up close to me and like doing a high five with them. That was like so cute. And it always happens with girls, they're like so small. I mean, I knew it that they're not like really tall, but still it was really surprising. But yeah, I really had like, it was so nice. It's like one of my favorite group, so I was really delighted to see them again. And this is the end of this mini vlog. I hope you liked it. Honestly, I just wanted to have some memories while my friend was here. But still, thank you for watching, and I hope I will be able to come soon with a new video.